How are you, Ken? Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
Great day.
Okay, you're great today. So, what did you do last night? Okay, we have class with teacher Anne, right? Oh, did you eat your
Yes.
breakfast?
No.
Not yet. You did not eat yet?
Yes.
Okay. Did you drink milk? You drink
Oh.
milk? Oh, what happened? Don't keep on moving, okay? So here, I will share you the lesson. Okay, as what teacher Ann told you, you have to behave because I will tell your mom that you are behaving well. Okay, you want me to tell your mom that you are behaving well? That you are great? You want me to tell that? Ken?
Yes.
Okay, so behave. You have to behave and participate to teacher. Ken, dance Ken. Yay! Good morning, Ken. Good morning. Okay. Okay, Ken. Okay, let's move here. So our lesson is about me. Okay, for a while.
Cái này có cái vé cô và phải có cái vé cơ mới làm được.
Okay. It's about me. It's about teacher. It's about Ken. Okay, here. Now, can you see this one, Ken? This is Bill. Okay. This is Bill. Okay, Ken. This is Bill, Ken. Answer my questions about him. So you will have to look at about Bill and then please try to answer about Bill. Okay, look at about Bill. Okay, look at about Bill. What did Bill do? Can you see the pictures of Bill? Can you see that?
Yeah.
That's Bill. And look at Bill. What did Bill doing?
Bill is skating.
Getting the look at Bill. Oh, don't try to. Ken, don't try to write. Okay, what is Bill doing, Ken? Bill is
Skating.
Oh, look at Bill. Bill is running. Okay. How old do you think is Bill? Can you tell me how old do you think is Bill?
Bill is 7.
Heaven like Ken. Where does he live, do you think?
In the city.
In the city, Teacher Anne. How does he go to school? How does Bill go to school?
At 7 p.m.
How does he go to school?
By motorbike.
By motorbike. Okay. Now, lesson or look at that one. You are using the what's that? The line. You use your line to check the question that Miss White asked. Then listen again and write Bill answer. Okay, Ken? You are using your line. Now you use your line, Ken. What happened, Ken? You're moving. Lesson.
I don't any line.
The one you did, like you are marking, like this. The one you do like that. Okay, you use this to check. Okay, lesson.
I don't any line.
Ken, the one you did, like the blue one. You write like that, you write blue, color blue. You use that in checking. Lesson to teacher.
But I don't have it.
Lesson and check the questions on Miss White. Then listen again and write Bill answer. Okay, I will asking answer for Bill. Okay, so look at this, Ken. Look at this, Ken. Miss White is asking questions. This is Bill. These are the question of Miss White. Okay, like that, the one you mark. You check that one. Later, you use that, Ken. Later, you use that. Okay, don't check yet. I'm not asking you to check yet. We're not yet starting. Erase, Ken, erase. Erase yet, erase. Okay, you listen now and check the question.
A. About me. Listen and write.
Hello, my name's Miss White. I work here at the library.
Hello, my name's Bill.
Well, Bill, can I ask you some questions about your home and hobbies, please?
All right.
First, how many brothers and sisters have you got?
3.
3?
Yes. I've got 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Thank you. Now, where do you do your homework?
I come here to the library with my cousin after school.
Do you come here often?
Yes. We try and do all our homework at the library.
That's good. Now, 2 questions about the things you like.
Okay. What do you want to know?
What's your favorite color?
That's easy. I love purple.
Purple. Okay. Another question about things you like. What's your favorite film?
My favorite film. Oh, I know. Terrible Monsters.
Terrible Monsters? I don't know that one.
It's great.
Now for one last question. What about swimming? Can you swim?
Oh, yes. I'm good at swimming.
Are you?
Yes. I go to the swimming pool every Friday.
Well, thank you for answering my questions. Goodbye, Bill.
Bye.
Okay, Ken. Did you listen the question?
Yeah.
Okay, where did you check? What? Okay. What is the first question?
It is how many brothers and sisters have.
Okay, next.
Teacher, wait me a minute.
Okay.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay. Okay, it's now good. Okay, what are the questions asked?
Ask about, let's talk about your home.
Okay, number one, what is the question, Ken? You want me to let you listen again? You want to listen again?
No.
Okay, what is the first question?
Three.
Can you tell me what is the first question? How many brothers and sisters have you got? Number two question.
We have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay, 2 brothers and 2 sisters. Next, what is the next question?
Is 3.
3, what's the answer? Let us see if it's number 3. Let us see your answer. Okay, what is your favorite color? What's Bill's favorite color?
It is purple.
Purple. Let's see if it's purple. Now, next question. What is the next question, Ken?
Next question.
Number? What number is the next question? Number 8. Oh, let's see. Okay, number 8. Now, what is where do you do your homework? Where do you do your homework?
In the bed.
In the
in the bed.
okay. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question, Ken. Next question, Ken.
Okay.
What's the next? What's the next?
Time.
Okay. What's your favorite film?
It is about the T-Rex.
It's Derek's. I don't think so. That's Bill. Bill's favorite film, not mine, not yours.
This is about T-Rex.
Okay. Next. What is the next question?
The next question, where did you see it? In the jungle.
Okay, in the jungle.
In the jungle.
Okay, next. Can you swim?
Yes. The T-Rex can swim.
No, Ken. It's Bill. Or listen carefully again, Ken. Please, Ken, you listen carefully. I will tell your mom what you are doing now. Okay? Okay. So listen carefully. I will ask you the answer of Bill question. What is answer of Bill question? Listen carefully.
30A.
Listen.
About me. Listen and write.
Hello, my name's Miss White. I work here at the library.
Hello, my name's Bill.
Well, Bill, can I ask you some questions about your home and hobbies, please?
All right.
First, how many brothers and sisters have you got?
3.
3?
Yes. I've got 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Thank you. Now, where do you do your homework?
I come here to the library with my cousin after school.
Do you come here often?
Yes. We try and do all our homework at the library.
That's good. Now, 2 questions about the things you like.
Okay. What do you want to know?
What's your favorite color?
That's easy. I love purple.
Purple. Okay. Another question about things you like. What's your favorite film?
My favorite film. Oh, I know. Terrible Monsters.
Terrible Monsters. I don't know that one.
It's great.
Now for one last question. What about swimming? Can you swim?
Oh, yes. I'm good at swimming.
Are you?
Yes. I go to the swimming pool every Friday.
Well, thank you for answering my questions. Goodbye, Bill.
Bye.
Okay. Look at Ken. Now, I will ask you now. What is Bill's favorite color?
It is purple.
Okay. Now, where do Bill do his homework?
Hurry, in the library.
Okay. And what is Bill's favorite film?
This is Terrible Monsters.
Does Bill know how to swim?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Very good, Ken. Okay, look up the answers. 3, purple, library, terrible monsters. Yes, okay, you're listening great. Very good. Okay, now here, you answer questions 1 to 4. Ask your questions, ask your friend questions 5 to 12. Okay, just listen about this.
30A. About me. Listen and write.
Hello, my name's Miss White. I work here at the library.
Hello, my name's Bill.
Well, Bill, can I ask you some questions about your home and hobbies, please?
All right.
First, how many brothers and sisters have you got?
3.
3?
Yes. I've got 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Thank you. Now, Where do you do your homework?
I come here to the library with my cousin after school.
Do you come here often?
Yes, we try and do all our homework at the library.
That's good. Now, 2 questions about the things you like.
Okay, what do you want to know?
What's your favorite color?
That's easy. I love purple.
Purple. Okay. Another question about things you like. What's your favorite film?
My favorite film. Oh, I know. Terrible Monsters.
Terrible Monsters. I don't know that one.
It's great.
Now for one last question. What about swimming? Can you swim?
Oh, yes. I'm good at swimming.
Are you?
Yes. I go to the swimming pool every Friday.
Well, thank you for answering my questions. Goodbye, Bill.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, Ken. Ken, where are you? Okay. I will ask you. This is for you, Ken. Ken, this is for you. How often do you see your friends? How often do you see your friends?
On Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
5 times a week. Okay. Now, let's listen again to Bill's answer to number 8. Where do Bill do his homework? Where? In the
Library.
In the library. Okay. So, lesson Ken. Lesson. We have here 3 questions. 3 questions for number 8. We have here 3 questions for number 8. We have where, who, and when. Okay. Here, look at this one. We have 3 questions for questions number 8. Where, who, and when. Okay. Okay, look at this one. Where did Bill do his homework? Where? In the
library.
In the library. Where? In the
library.
Who is studying? Who are making homework with Bill? Who?
His cousin.
And when did they make homework? When?
School.
Okay, after school. Very good, Ken. Look at this one. When we see where, okay, when we see where, Ken, it's a place. Library. Library is a place. Okay, did you understand me? Ken?
Yes.
Okay. When we see who, this is a person. This is a person. Who? Who is with Bill when he study his homework? Who? His cousin. Cousin is a person. Do you understand me? Who is a person? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. When we say when, look at this one. When we say when, this is the time. When did Bill study the lesson or study homework? When? After school. Again? Ken? Again? Where? This is the place. Place. Okay, library. When we see who, person. His cousin. Who is with Bill when he study or make homework? His cousin, a person. Next, when. When did Bill study the lesson? Yep. Okay na? Okay. When did Bill study the lesson? When? Okay. When did Bill study the lesson?
It's after school.
Okay. After school. Okay. That's when. It's time. When did Bill study the lesson? After school, teacher. Time. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, look at this one. I will erase it. Okay, for a while, I will erase this. Okay, so we have here the lessons. Can you see what is this? What do you think is this?
Guitar.
A guitar, teacher. Okay. What is this about? You will have to write the same word in all boxes. Look at music. We are talking here, Ken, about music. Because guitar, you can play music when you use guitar. Okay. Okay. Now, can you read this one?
Yeah. In every country in the world, people make and listen to music. In many schools, children have music lessons. In the class, they can learn to sing songs and to play music on the piano or guitar. But did you know that learning music can help you reading, spelling, and math too? In USA, group of spelling
Tested.
tested 19 school children who had more music and art lesson got better marks in math. Their reading was better too.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ken. Now, we are talking here about music lesson. Okay, can you see? There is a sign of music. So we use all the word music for the blanks. You can see there are all music. Okay, I will read how music will help you in every country, or how it can make you clever. It can make you smart. And every country in the world, people make and listen to music. In many schools, children have music lesson. Do you have music lesson in school? Do you have music in school? Yes. In their classes, they can learn to sing a songs and play music. Okay, Ken. Do you know how to play the guitar?
No, but I can play.
Okay. Okay. How about they can learn to sing a song and to play music on piano or guitar? Do you know how to play piano?
No.
Okay.
But I can play the piano.
Okay.
Ding,
Yes.
ding, 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 ding.
Okay. But did you know that learning music can help your reading?
No.
Okay. You know that learning music can help your reading, can help your spelling, and math.
No.
You have to know that. In learning music, it can help your reading, it can help your spelling, and it can help your math. Okay. In USA, Ken, grown-up tested 90 school children. Children who have more music and art lesson got better marks in math. Oh my God. If you keep on studying music lesson, you have a chances that you get better scores in math. Are you good in math, Ken?
No.
Oh, how about reading? You are very good in reading.
No, I'm not good at reading.
How about math? Are you good at math?
No.
Okay. Okay, so let's hear. So just in case you keep on studying music, that will make your lessons very nice. That will make you very clever. Okay, it will make you very clever. Okay, look at this one. What does learning music help you with? Okay, what does, I will have to ask question, Ken. What does learning music help you with? What does learning music help you with? It help you with? Look at the answer. It help you? It help you reading, spelling, and math. Okay. In the test, whose math and reading was better? In the test, whose math and reading was better? Who? What's the answer? Look at the underlined word, Ken. Children? Very good, Ken. In the test, the one who got better, who has math and reading better, was the one who had more music and art lesson. Very good, Ken. Yay! Next one here. Okay. Hi. Okay. Look at this one, Ken. Can you find them in questions in letter B? Where, who, and when? Okay. Okay, look at this. Look at the questions where. How many questions start with where? How many questions start with where? How many? Okay, there are 4. 1, 2, 2 only. How many? There are only 2 questions that start with where. Okay, how many questions start with who? How many questions start with who? One only. How many questions start with when? How many questions start with when? How many? How many? How many questions start with when? How many? How many questions start with when? How many? Oh, there is only one question start with when. Only one. Only one. When did you see the film? That's only one question. Only one. When? Okay? There is only one question start with when. How many questions start with how? How? How many questions start with how? You count. How many? Ken, how many questions start with how? How many? 4. Okay. How many questions start with which? Which? How many questions start with which? One only. How about how many questions start with why? Why? Question that start with why? One. Very good, Ken. Okay, here. Next one here. Okay, we have here the different question. Okay, these are the questions that start with how, Ken. Which words come after the word how? Okay, we have here how. How old? Okay. How often? How many? Okay, look at this one. We have 3 examples of questions that start with how. First, how old are you? That's how old. Number 4, how often? And number 2 and 6, how many? How many? Okay. How old? How old? How old is Bill? Bill is how old? 11. How old is Ben, Ken? I'm 11. And then, okay. And then, how often? How often do you see your friends? It's every day, teacher. And then, next, how many? How many lessons do you have? 6. 6. Okay, you have 6. Okay, next. That's how many. Okay, look at this, Ken. Everyone say 9 colors you can see. We have here the 9 colors. We have the red, yellow, gray, green, the orange, the pink, the black, the purple, and the blue. Okay, those are the 9 colors. What is your favorite color, Ken? What is your favorite color? Blue, teacher. My favorite color is blue. Okay. One. Next here. Do you know that your favorite color, blue, is the most favorite color of all the people in the world? Do you like blue, Ken? Do you like blue? Okay, do you know that? Many people like blue. Okay. Is that your favorite color too? Tell me your favorite things that you have blue, Ken. What are the things that you have in your house, like your cell phone, like your pen, which is color blue? Okay, please tell me. Yeah, very good. What's that? Yeah, it's pencil case, color blue. What else do you have that it's color blue? Okay. Oh, wow! You have color blue. Yeah. So your favorite color is color? What's your favorite color, Ken? Your favorite color is color blue because you have lots color blue. Wow. How about your shirt? You love color blue? You love blue? Ah, that's red and gray, but I like the color. Oh, what's that? It's the toy car. It's a toy car. Yeah, it's a toy car. Wow, it's very nice, Ken. Okay, look. Yeah, it's very nice. Look at here, Ken. Yeah, it's very nice. Look at this. The river is blue. The sky is blue. And the ocean is blue. Okay, they are all blue. Okay. Okay, they are all blue, Ken. Yes, everything is blue. You like blue? It's your favorite color, the blue. Yes. Okay, anything that's blue. How about the car? Do you like color blue? Oh, very. How about your motorbike? Is it color blue? Okay, so you don't have any motorbike, teacher. The color of the motorbike is blue, right? You love the color blue. Okay. Ken, we start early, so therefore we end early. Okay. So next time, Ken, we'll be having a lesson about unit. We will continue this because we are not yet done. We are not yet finished with this. We will continue this on Monday or Tuesday. When? Okay, on Tuesday, we will continue this one. Oh, we will continue this one on Tuesday. So now, why? Teacher Ann will say goodbye now. Okay, Ken? Okay. So, hi. Okay. Teacher Ann will say goodbye and see you, Ken. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, yes. Goodbye. Hi. Bye-bye, teacher. See you on Monday, Ken. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.